Welcome to our video about the health benefits and side effects of drinking lemon water. First, let's look at some of the unsupported health claims about lemon water. Some say that it can help you burn fat, but there is no scientific evidence to support this claim. Lemons do contain a large amount of water, and drinking it can boost your metabolism marginally. Lemons also contain vitamin C, which can improve your skin's appearance and reduce wrinkles and aging. But, as with any health claim, it's best to talk to your doctor first. Now, let's talk about the side effects of drinking lemon water. Drinking too much lemon juice can cause stomach damage and canker sores. It can also weaken tooth enamel, so it's best to drink it through a straw and avoid contact with your teeth. Despite these side effects, there are some health benefits to drinking lemon water. It can flush toxins from the system, curb appetite, and change your digestive processes. It may also boost your metabolism and reduce belly fat. Lemon water is also low in calories, so it can be a great alternative to high-calorie drinks like orange juice or soda. Finally, let's talk about the weight loss benefits of drinking lemon-infused water. While there is no scientific proof that it can burn fat, drinking lemon water can help you feel fuller and reduce hunger pangs. It can also boost your metabolism and immune system, and it contains essential vitamins and minerals. In conclusion, drinking lemon water can have some health benefits. But, it's important to remember that it should not be used as a weight loss solution. It is best to talk to your doctor first and drink lemon water as part of a balanced diet. Thanks for watching.